Hi there. I wanted to show you my electric tea kettle. I think it's made by GE. Let's see. It's got a cord here. See there? And it's actually one of those like just regular like computer cords, and so you can like plug it in here. See there? You can just plug it in, unplug it, and you can take it to wherever you need to. I just keep it right here on my computer table, and I fill up my nice Englishy teapot here. I'm using tea bag because I'm dirt poor right now, but I like loose tea better. Let's see. Right there. Let it steep for a little bit, and then I have some bone china cups, but they have to be washed right now. So, how you like these? These are nice, huh? I picked these up the street a ways in the alleyway. They were just kind of growing out of some wasteland, and so I said, hey, I'm gonna pick those up and put them in a little mason jar. Bring some color to my house. I'm gonna put them back over here. So anyway, yep, we have electric kettles here. I think this is GE that makes this one. Oh no, Proctor Siles. I guess that's like a division of like Black and Decker or something. Anyway, so that's it.